Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. Hello, how are you all? Hope you are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NFS Home School, and this is Ariful Islam, Assistant Teacher of English, National English Version School Morning Shift. Today I am going to take an English first paper class for class 8 students. Our today's topic, Unit-6, Lesson-1 discussions. So let's see our today's topic. Class 8, subject English first paper, term annual, topics Unit-6, Lesson-1 discussion. Lecture-1, HW will be 1. Teacher Ariful Islam, this is my mobile number and today's date. So my dear students, let's start our today's class. Subject English first paper, Unit 6, Lesson 1, at the airport. This topic, annual term, Lecture 1. Let's read the passage. Read the text and answer questions 1 and 2. Gerald lives with her parents in London. They had come to Bangladesh to visit Sarah's aunt and uncle. She's very close to her cousin Mita. So, Jara's cousin is Mita. Both the families have visited many interesting places together in Bangladesh. It was great fun. Then they decided that they would visit some places outside Bangladesh too. They decided to go to Thailand. But Mita's parents were too busy with their work, so they couldn't go. However, Mita was going with them. Mita, Jara and her parents are at Hazrat Shahzala International Airport. They're waiting in the lounge. Mita is very excited. This is the first time to board a plane. Board means fly a plane. They are flying by Bangladesh Biman. Mita is hoping to have a great time in Thailand. As they wait, the two cousins start planning what they would do once they reach Bangkok. Mita's uncle brings forms for all of them to fill in before going through the immigration. He gives one to Mita and says, "You have to give some information about yourself in the form. The immigration officer will take your passport and stamp it. And then you are ready to waiver." Mita, Jara and her parents start filling in the forms. Choose the correct answer to each questions from alternatives given and write the corresponding number of the answers in your answer script. Number 1, the word cousin in line 2 of the text means a child of one's brother, a child of one's uncle or aunt, a child of one's sister, a child of one's neighbor. So the answer will be a child of one's uncle or aunt. Number 2, the word busy in line 5 of the text means having a great deal to do, keep occupied, keep engaged in work, all of the above. So the answer will be all of the above. The word excited in line 8 of the text means very enthusiastic and eager, very apathetic and enthusiastic, very averse and idle, the opposite, very inactive and lethargic. Lethargic means lazy. So the answer will be very enthusiastic and eager. Number 4, where do Jara and her parents live? In the USA, in the UK, in Canada, in France. So they are living in London, so United Kingdom, UK. They decided to visit Bangladesh, Thailand, Bhutan, Bangladesh and other countries. They decided to visit Thailand now. Let's go to this space. Mita's parents couldn't go with them because they are idle. They didn't find any interest. They were preoccupied. They were in crisis. They were preoccupied means they were busy. Who were going to Thailand? Mita and her uncle, Jara and her parents, Mita and her parents, Mita as well as Jara and her parents. This one. Who will stamp Mita's passport? Mita's father, the immigration officer, Jara pilot, the immigration officer. Answer the following questions. Number 8, where does Jara live? Jara lives in London. Why have Jara's family come to Bangladesh? So Jara's family had come to Bangladesh to visit Jara's aunt and uncle. What have both the families done? Both the families have all visited many interesting places in Bangladesh. Number D, where have they decided to visit outside Bangladesh? Outside Bangladesh, they have decided to visit Thailand. So your SW1, submit on Saturday, Unit 6, Lesson 1, Exercise C, question answer 1, 2, 3. So these are the question answer. Number A is, why is Mita excited? Why aren't Mita's parents going with her? Number C, what does an immigration officer do at the airport? I'm giving here 1, 2, 3. You can also give here 1, 2, 3, no problem. Okay, so Unit 6, Lesson 1, Exercise C, question answer 1, 2, 3. C, exercise this are the question answer 1, 2, and 3. So my dear students, do your assigned SW at home and submit on Saturday. So keep practicing at home, avoid with parents, stay safe, stay well. See you again. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.